Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sundari, and if you're coming back, welcome back. Thank you for coming back, you guys. So today is a kind of special video to me because I finally got the Figures F3, which I have been eyeing this phone for the longest. And I was like, once my phone starts acting up, which I have a S9 right now, or had a S9, which I'm recording this video on right now, just so you guys can see. So I've already unboxed it, so this is going to be kind of like an unboxing, but I've already unboxed it and I've actually had it for a couple of days now. So I just put it back in here because I was so impressed with the unboxing and I realized I didn't record it. So here we go now. So it came in like a box that had figures on it with my address and stuff, which I didn't want that to be on camera. And then it came with this thank you, and it says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. We are proud to say that we have," let me read it this way. "We are proud to say that we have poured every resource to make sure your new device is perfect from the moment you receive it. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. Enjoy, Freddie Figures." And that's a thank you card. And this was in one of the little containers inside of the box, and I just forgot to put it in there. It also came with this little package. And this is just a magazine. It's just a magazine, and it tells you about the phone and accessories and stuff like that. So when I pull it out of the box, it has this little like pull tab that makes it easy to pull out of the box. And I have my earbuds, or what is that called? F-buds, which I have not opened these yet and tried them out. And then it has the phone box, which was wrapped in plastic. Of course, everything that you see right now is like wrapped in plastic and super nice. So it comes in this fancy box that slides out. And this was like the coolest part, which I had seen a whole bunch of videos, but when it happened, I was just like, wow.
Wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Alright, so that's what happens when you open the box. And let me turn it off. So the phone is here. It's like in a little pull tab. Let me put it back in here. So it has like these little tabs on the side that you pull them out. And this is the phone. Of course, it's not as clean and shiny as it was when I first opened it. But fancy, right? Look at it. Look. You got the front, which it had a little screen protector with the Figures logo. And this is what is under the phone. So in this bigger box, it came with the case. It came with the little piece to put in your SD card. It came with this little booklet, the starter pack and SIM card if I wanted to do the Figures wireless service, which I did not. And then my warranty certificate card. And I will come back to these because I have a little something to say about it. Okay, so then in this little red box, you have the charger block, just the charger block, which it was in plastic, like I said. Got the orange interior. Okay, and then in this blue box, it came with the charger, which is really dope. It's wrapped in like a jean material and stitched like jeans. Really cool. Came with that. It came with the Earphones Adapter because the little piece, like it doesn't have a aux cord. Like the little hole for your earphones, it doesn't have that. So you just put this in here, and these are the wireless earphones. Which I haven't tried these out. Excuse all this noise. You got people running up and down the stairs, and then my daughter's over here playing. Okay, so let me turn the phone on for you guys, which I told you guys I've already had it a couple of days. I just turned it off so you can see like what it looks like when it comes on. I'm still figuring everything out, but I've changed a few things around since, like from the default, I've changed up a few things just to make it a little bit easier for me. So, I put in my passcode and it did that again. You put your code in again. And there it is. And you just swipe up and all of your apps are there. Alright, so there will be a second video which will kind of be like an intro to my F3, which basically I will just give you pros and cons of the phone that I have realized so far, or recognized so far. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, drop them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, bye you guys.